Alright, I'm out here in abandoned railroad crossing and out of service in Allais Street in Hazard, Kentucky. See, right there's a relay case was been shut off because of power. As you can see, power lights off right over here. The first signal over here, this crossing signal has some Tinkley Act. The first signal has a transport operation style base and is subsequently mass, certainly enough. And we have a CSX emergency information was a got knocked down, as you can see right here. And the match lights are Modern Industries tell by 24-inch incandescent lights, which you can see right here. Right down there is a second signal. Let's see. So this dog tag right here, it's got a tucked off and broke, as you can see. So here, and the bell I forgot is a WRS mechanical bell. And right here is a second signal, which has also been weeded up, as you can see. See the banded railroad tracks got weeds and smacked. Now I'm gonna cross the road here, and the next signal is it has another transport product observation style base. And here I have a CSX emergency information. So Don number is 351-722A. And we have a match lights are old Modern Industries 8-inch lights with Modern Industries junction box, which you can see. See this? Which you can see. See this trees stuck the signal, as you can see. Or there's a pathway. As you can see, there's a Allais Street number 2, so we're not going over here. As you can see, right here it says got trees with control the tracks are. As you can see, there's small trees growing up on them. Which you can see, it's got a weeds and broke down. So yeah, I can cross the street back over here. So yeah, see this WRs? It's got right here. It's got this crossing is pretty much out of service from Norfolk Southern, which you can see right now. So yeah, I can move right here. So, hold on, there's a Modern Industries junction boxes. Okay, I am. So here I have a abandoned railroad crossing and out of service in Allais Street in Hazard, Kentucky. Over and out.